Let's get some more reactions now from across the region, and we begin with Chadema, which is the party that Tundu Lissu belongs to. And this is the statement they released. They say Chadema finds this action deeply troubling and symptomatic of the shrinking democracy space and intensifying political paranoia within Tanzania's current regime. We also have reactions from different law societies, and we start with the East African Law Society, at whose invitation Martha Karua was in Tanzania together with the two other human rights lawyers. And this is the president, and he says, I am imploring President Samia Suluhu Hassan to intervene and allow entry in the spirit and letter of the East African Community Treaty on freedom of movement of all East Africans. We also have the response of the Tanganyika Law Society, and this is it. They say, I beg your pardon, now this is Chadema, which has also demanded an immediate and public explanation from the Tanzanian Ministry of Home Affairs and Immigration Services on the legal basis for detaining, I beg your pardon, and denying entry to Honorable Karua and her colleagues. Let's get some more reaction. And this is now the Boniface, who is the Tanganyika Law Society president, and he states, we wish to remind the authorities that this country is governed by the rule of law and its constitution, and there is no legal prohibition against anyone attending public court proceedings concerning the charges faced by Advocate Tundu Lissu. Here we have the Amnesty International. And they say denying Martha Karua, Gloria Kimani, Ngugi Lin access to observe the Tundu Lissu trial undermines the fundamental right to a fair and public hearing enshrined in international human rights law. Their statement continues to read that it simultaneously erodes international public trust in Tanzania's electoral and judicial processes. And here we have the Law Society of Kenya in a statement which reads, Article 104 of the Treaty for the Establishment of the East African Community contemplates a region where citizens move across member states freely and without undue restraint, such as we have witnessed today. Their statement continues to read and make a call on the Attorney General of Tanzania to take immediate intervening measures to rectify and reverse this outright affront to justice and human rights. And they have further called on the State Department for Foreign Affairs to engage the government of Tanzania and ensure such retrogression does not persist. The Foreign Affairs Principal Secretary, and that is Korir Sing'oei, has said the matter has been raised with our representative in Tanzania. State representative, that is. And here we have the spouse of Kizza Besigye, who is also facing, or who is also detained in Uganda. She states, a sad day for Jumuiya, but I will hold firm to a vision of a united, just, free, democratic and prosperous East African Federation. She is also the UNAIDS Executive Director.